Question 115. A scalene triangle has three unequal side lengths. The medium length side is 7 centimeters longer than the shortest side. The longest side is twice as long as the shorter side. The total perimeter is 39 centimeters. What are the lengths of the sides of the triangle? All right, so we need to continue on from yesterday where we're using this 5D process. So as you are working, I don't know if you will have a copy of this or not. If not, then you'll just need to draw that 5D process on your paper from yesterday. So here's what it looks like though. So here's the question once again. So remember, we've got a triangle, three unequal sides. The medium length side is 7 centimeters long than the shortest side. The longest side is twice as long as the shortest side. The total perimeter is 39. So the first thing we need to fill in is our describe or our draw. So if you want to, you could draw a picture of the triangle, or you can just write this out. So I'm going to kind of do this. I know that it says that the medium side is 7 centimeters long than the shortest side. So if I know what the short side is, I can add 7 to that. So that would be how long my medium side is. The longest side, so do L for longest side, is twice as long as the shortest side. So 2 times the short side. And then my third length is whatever the short side is. All right, so there's my describe or draw. So next on our 5D process, we need to start filling in this table. So here is our define is kind of the work that we are going to do. So here we just have to kind of start guessing at what we want to use. So let's see, I'm going to do perimeter, so I need to add the medium side plus the long side plus the short side. So my trial is, I just have to guess. I don't know, I'm going to try 5 to start out. So if I think the short side is 5, so in my define, here's my short side, that's 5. How many columns do I need? So in my define, I would need 3 columns. And the reason I need 3 columns is because I have 3 sides. So that's going to be my short side, that'll be my medium side, and this will be the long side. So my short side is 5, my medium side is 5, that's my short side, so 5 plus 7, which is 12. Sorry, that looks like a 51, doesn't it? Get rid of that. And let's see, my long side is 2 times 5, which is 10. So I got my short side, my medium side, so short side, medium side, long side. So there's my 3 columns. The do is we're going to add them all together. So we have 5 plus 12 plus 10. Because we're finding perimeter, when I add them all up, I get 22, I get 27. Oh, and it's too low because I'm supposed to get 39. So I'm just going to put down too low. So I know that 5 did not work. Let's try 10. So I'll put 10 in for my short side. So I've got 10. My medium side, if the short side is 10 plus 7, which would be 17. And then if my short side is 10, 2 times 10 is 20, so my long side is 20. So now I have 10 plus 17 plus 20. And when I add them all up for perimeter, we end up with 37. Wait, what do we? Yeah, we got 37 plus 10 is 47. Oh, that's too high. All right. So that's 47. So too high. So it almost feels like it's somewhere in between those. So it's not 5, it's not 10. Let's try 7. So let's see. My short side is 7. My medium side is going to be 14 then. And 2 times 7 is 14. All right. So let's see. I'm going to do the work now. So 14 plus 14 plus 7 gives me 28. Plus 7 is 35. Closer, but still too low. All right, let's go up 1. So let's try an 8. So if my short side is 8, My medium side would be 8 plus 7, which is 15 then. My long side is 2 times 8, which will be 16. So there's my three sides, and I'm just guessing and checking. So now I do 8 plus 15 plus 16. Let's see, 15 and 16 is 31, plus 8 is 39. Oh, perfect. Good. So I know that my sides have to be an 8, a 15, and a 16. All right, so we filled out our 5D. Now, the one thing that you cannot forget is we need to now go down here and do the declare. I'm going to erase this stuff so we can see it. So remember, it was 8, 15, and 16. So let's see. So my declare, I'm going to write down what the sides are. So my short side is 8. My medium side was 15. And my long side was 16. So that's our 5D process, okay? So remember, we did 3 columns because we had 3 different sides of a triangle here. The do was I added up the 3 sides, and then I had to say if I was too high, too low, or just right for my decide. And then my declare is where I actually wrote down what the sides are. It was kind of like my answer. Hopefully that helps.